How to log out on Twitter app. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can log out of your account on Twitter app. Now it's quite basic and quite simple, so let me guide you through. What you want to do is open up the app now. If you're logged into your account, what you want to do is tap on the profile icon that you can find at the top left corner of your screen. You can see a little profile icon right there. Simply tap on it, and here what you want to do is at the bottom of your screen, at the bottom left, you can see the option settings and support. Tap on it and then you'll get two different options, settings and privacy and help center. Simply tap on settings and privacy here and then you'll get list of options here. Now the first option, you can see your account. Simply tap on your account option and you can see four different options here: account information, change your password, download an archive of your data, and deactivate account. What you want to do is simply head into account information here, and at the bottom of your list you can see logout option. Simply tap on logout and again tap on logout and your account will get logged out. So this way you can log out on Twitter. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.